Take a ride in the 2019 GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV, a midsize SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, overhead console, driver vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.